So if you want a really exciting night afterwards, I'm doing my laundry downstairs. It's pretty goddamn exciting. It's so goddamn exciting, and I'm such a badass, I'm gonna mix my whites with my blacks, motherfucker. That means that I'm taking the risk of all my white t-shirts becoming fucking gray t-shirts, motherfucker. If that is not the most badass shit you've heard all goddamn year, then I don't know where the fuck you've been. What else would I like to say? Man, I'm fucked up, dude. I can't lie. And then there's this guy who cheers literally every time I say anything. SpongeBob SquarePants. Sticking it in every girl's butthole. Well, I mean, that's the obvious. I shouldn't be able to use that. That's just the course. No shit, right? Alright. Hey man, fuck it, man. Let's start the fucking show. Billings, Montana. Yo, I want to say that I appreciate every one of you standing in that cold ass weather out there in that line and come and see our show tonight. I got it genuinely from the bottom of my heart. And I made sure, I requested, when we came on this tour, I personally requested, I said I want to go to South Dakota, North Dakota, and Montana. Don't fuck that up. And we came back because I understand that these are the people that never get a chance to see shit like this, but these are the people that we need to see shit like this more than anybody. Dude, you guys represent exactly what the fuck we came from, so we wanted to pay you back by coming out here and putting the show on tonight. So if you're with me tonight, put those fists in the fucking air! And tonight, we will stand as one and take that fist and make it into an L like this. Raise the fuck up! And for everybody in your life or in this town that doesn't understand why you waited in that freezing cold to come to this concert tonight, take the L and make it into a middle finger like this. And so they can hear you with me scream, fuck the world, 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 screaming motherfuck the world, say fuck the world, say fuck the world, say fuck the world, I'm screaming, fuck the world. And like I've done it since day one, let me bring my best friend Slim out here and let's do this shit like we've been doing. Put a little finger like this. What you trying to say? Little fingers on the way.